Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to save a scenario on Make.com. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just gotten started with using Make.com. How do you actually go ahead and save your scenarios? How do you save all your hard work? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that once you have your scenario created, okay, so this is an example scenario, all you've got to do is click on this floppy disk icon down right over here, and it'll save your scenario. So you can see that the scenario has been saved. Now, the more easier way to do this is that on a MacBook Air or Apple iOS device, you could actually click on Command Save, and that too will also save your scenario. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and save your scenarios on Make.com. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.